This video going to share with you that the Marriott Taipei hotel stay experience. We'll be here for one night. So we're going to show you the club lounge, we're going to show you the facility, the room tour. I'm not sure they have swimming pool though, but we'll try to show you the best as we can. So let's go to check in at the club lounge first. Just let the staff know that you want to check in at the club lounge and they will assist you and show you the way to the club lounge. Club lounge smells very good with the coffee and lots of beautiful decoration. As a platinum guest, you can choose either one drinks or one snack or 1000 points of the Bonvoy point. The hotel have not participated for the platinum guests to enjoy the breakfast in the main area, so you only can get it in the breakfast, and I will choose the 1000 point. It's about 10 a.m. now, not much people, so you have 4 cereals and coffee. The coffee here is quite average to me, but then you can get beer early in the morning, 3 different types of beer, juices, all kinds of sparkling water. They do have congee, the condiment for congee, and honestly the breakfast here is really good. I quite like the quality of the breakfast here, and crispy bacon. They also have the egg station over here, and new French toast. And I'm going to try this xiao long bao in a bit. And steamed peanut, then the miso soup, toast. If you don't want to toast, you can eat it. The bread looks here, especially the croissant here is really good, much better than I had in Paris. Then these are the cold cut, the cheese, and I love this jellyfish. It's very tasty. And the swimming pool is just right behind, and you can see the Ferry wheels. The very good selection of the salad and the cut fruits. I love the pineapple in Taiwan and the guava in Taiwan. So here is the club lounge. We are still waiting for our room, but we had quite a nice breakfast already. It's so cool to have a ferry wheel right over there. I think that should be a shopping mall, I guess. And it's operating now, but sadly there's no one in the ferry wheels at all. So here it is. It's a swimming pool. It was saying that it's 27 degrees, but when I just touch it, it's quite warm though. It's quite a comfortable place to swim, but it's quite windy right over here, so I don't think it's a good idea to come over here to swim during the autumn or winter. Let me show you what's an all-day refreshment. You get the dry fruits and nuts, gummy bear, apple, cookies, this I'm not sure, is this candy, I guess, tangerine, cookie, or chocolate, all this. So if you are thinking to come back here for like some bite, I think it's still okay, because actually I saw some of the sandwiches are back. So Sean is saying that it's quite cold right over here, so it's like a lot better that I bring some jacket along with you. Oh, there's some soft bun and some cookie.
Hi, so after waiting for like maybe 3 hours, we finally got our room. It's 1820, so 1 floor down from the executive club lounge. Immediately when we come in, on my right hand side is a full-length mirror for you to check your grooming before you head out. On my left is where the wardrobe space is, so lots of hangers for you, ironing board, iron, as well as the emergency torch, all the shelves for you to put your belongings, and then there's bedroom slippers as well as shoe mint for you.
It's a steam iron and the emergency torchlight is there.
I already mentioned that. There's an in-room safe, pretty sizable for you to put your belongings and 3 religious books. And then below that is where the laundry bag is, and there's also a reusable bag for you to purchase your groceries if you need, or any sundries if you need. And then there's a weighing scale right at the bottom of the shelf. As we proceed further, this is the mini bar counter, a very cute chest for the coffee. So it's drip coffee sachets provided for, different kinds of coffee beans, as well as Chinese tea, and also TWG tea for the English breakfast selection. complimentary drinking water in bottled form. And then the mugs are over here in the drawer. Beer glasses as well as water glasses, and also some cutlery for you.
I like this idea though, so can take away food, and then you don't have to call the housekeeping to bring out the
at the bottom, as always, is the mini fridge is empty. And then there are 2 bottles of chilled drinking water for your drinking pleasure if you need. And then as we proceed further into the space, this is where you can leave your luggage. So there are 2 areas for you to put your luggage, big enough. You can even put your kids down there if you like.
There's also a power plug there.
Yep. And then over here is where the TV is. And okay, so this is empty, but you can drag it out. And then the remote control is by the side of the TV. So it's one whole long stretch of desktop. So this is a working area for you. I think nowadays we are seeing less and less of this folder, guest services directory. But over here they have all the information inside this folder, and then in the drawer there are writing materials for you, as well as some information regarding the spa. Sky 19 is the name of the spa at Marriott Taipei. They have 2 universal power outlets and 1 HDMI port over here. The chair is a swivel chair, and then right here is where you have 2 chairs that is facing the bedroom. And then let's take a look at the view outside, shall we?
The view is boring, and you have to pull this out. It takes too long, so I'm going to skip it.
Okay, sure. Then the bedside table is where you can find a universal power outlet, as well as the phone, and also in-room dining menu. And then this is the reading light for you if you need. Track count is pretty decent.
I noticed that the bed is extra large.
Yeah, it's king executive
It's
room.
really, really large.
Yes, and then there's a very old-fashioned looking alarm clock. Universal power outlet as well. So there's no USB power outlets at the bedside. Yep.
Okay, I'm going to show you the bathroom now. Ta-da! The light is a little bit greenish and yellowish. There's a bathtub here. Then the towel is here. They're using the this work amenity. So you have the body lotion, the nail file, hairbrush, razor, sanitizer bag, vanity kit, 2 brushes, and the shower cap here. And then I have opened up the hair dryer already. These are the okay hair dryer, not too bad one. So here is the toilet. It's with a Japanese style bidet system. You can warm up the seat and then to wash your private part and your backside. And here is the shower room. Rain shower, handheld shower with the shower gel, hair conditioner, and the body wash. So here is the room. This bed can fit
Very
up
far.
to... I can't even reach.
Oh my god.
Another test.
Yeah, quite soft.
It's a little bit
Reasonably.
dusty to me.
Okay. Very stable.
But I think that when the bed is too big, the pillow looks like very small.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it's the pillow is
The
very
pillow
small.
is very comfortable though.
It's not
The
what I
first one
like.
is soft. Second one, Also soft.
Uh,
You can put two together and it
I-
will be a reasonable height. And then
we went out to the town and then we showered. The water pressure is good. The shampoo is like the regular Marriott shampoo. Then we are going to the happy hour at 5:30 after a short rest. I'm having terrible cough and we need some power nap first. We didn't sleep much in the plane
I'm quite awake now.
because like he had 5 coffee this morning. Let me show you what you can get from the evening happy hour. There's a fried rice vermicelli and then fried bamboo shoot. This is a steamed siu mai, looks like this. Oh, looks good. Then 2 hot food, the American chicken. Oh, I'm not sure. It looks like chicken to me. And then there's a honey mustard something bread. Then cheese. And the dessert here looks quite good though. 3 different types of dessert. 1 salad, 2 salad. And this is a chef special. Another salad over here. Cut fruits. You must try their pineapple. Pineapple is very good. And the passion fruits. So just wait for the alcohol to be served. Let me show you what you can get from the hard liquor. There's a gin, whiskey, all this. Red wine, 2 types of red wine. 1 sparkling wine and 2 white wine. Yep. So let's enjoy the happy hour right over here. I'm going to show you the gym now. It looks quite good. It's very decent size of the gym. Have a very nice equipment for all your muscle needs to build out the good muscle, and a lots of treadmill for you to run, dumbbell for the ab, bench, the cycling eclipse something, right? The bicycle, and for your back, for your chest, drinking water. Then the towel is here for your legs. And I'm not sure what is this. Some mini dumbbell and a cold water over there. Yep, it's a very decent gym for you to have a very good exercise. This is the sauna and the changing room. Currently, it's no one right over here, so I can do a little bit of video. What is this? Aftershave, hairspray, body lotions. Can rest here for a good view, but it's pretty cold over here. How's your sleep quality?
The bed was quite comfortable. Shower was okay. But I feel that the room is a bit dry. We never really use bottled water when we stay during in hotels lah. But this time round, I think we finish up all the bottled waters because
It was like pretty dry. The throat is like not really that comfortable.
So
I hate the shower that it will leak out all the water all over the floor. I hate it.
it's not very well designed, and also the toilet area also.
Soundproof is very good. I think at this area at
It's
night
very
we came
quiet.
back at 12 midnight. Not much people around here.
Yeah, very quiet. Very conveniently located. There's a 7-Eleven just across the road if you need to get some food also.
Let me do a complaint first. I think the room is way too dry. We don't like it. And yesterday after happy hour, we came back to the room. I smell something like public toilet in our bedroom. Then they gave us this machine. It's actually not too bad. After we went out for 2 places for drinks, we came back, the room smell better. But of course, I also closed the door in the bathroom, that it does not have the smell. Then another complaint is that the room is really, really dry. Like my cough is like getting worse every time I come back to the room. Then I start to cough the hell out of my lung. Then
and then you can follow.
Okay, so in general, I think what really stand out is actually the food and beverage selection at the lounge. The selection is really very extensive lah, and then it's pretty good for like breakfast as well as evening cocktail. That one I don't deny, but then like what Jim said, I also find that the room is a bit dry. Usually I wouldn't really. We wouldn't really drink bottled water lah, but yesterday night we have no choice. We have to open up all the bottled waters,
4 bottles though.
and we finished it. So but in general, I think the facilities wise, right, is still very nice, like the gym, the swimming pool, as well as the executive lounge.
So I would say that the staff are actually doing their best also. They are very, very professional.
Yes.
It's just like some of the maintenance of the drainage and the room need to be done. The aircon can set up to 15 degree. Everywhere is very cold. You need to bring a jacket along with you. I'm not sure whether it's like we are not feeling well or what, but it's just like freezing cold. It never really happened to us. So with that, we hope you like this video. Bye bye.